Hi guys, today I got a package delivery and let's just say I'm thrilled because the movie I got, well, let's just say I've been waiting for it for a very long time, and because this is my 100th video on YouTube, I decided to make it a little more special. So here it is, the package, and let me show you what's inside. Star Wars The Force Awakens. Pretty fucking amazing cover. It's a Region 2 DVD. I cannot wait to see it today. Unfortunately, there are no bonus features whatsoever. This is kind of sad, but uh, the movie is the important thing here. So let's see what else we got with it. Here we have the spine here, and let's see what we have inside. Alright, here we go. Perfect. So here it is without the slipcover, and it still looks pretty fucking amazing. It says here the highest grossing film of all time in the UK and Ireland. Yeah, it's probably true. And inside we have the disc. Damn, I cannot wait to see it. So for my 100th video, I decided to unbox this awesome movie, and now I'm gonna watch it. So thank you guys, and see you in my next video.